In this episode, we'll dive into the latest updates on Tesla's expansion plans, particularly in India, and their pursuit of manufacturing 20 million cars annually by the end of the decade. We'll explore the potential of the Indian market for Tesla's electric vehicles and the challenges they face with high import tax rates. Additionally, we'll discuss the latest developments regarding the production capacity and pricing of the highly anticipated Cybertruck, including its estimated range and competition with the Chevrolet Silverado EV, which boasts an impressive 450-mile range. Join us as we discuss the details and speculate on the future of Tesla's expansion efforts, EV market competition, and recent price predictions. Welcome to Prima Invest. Tesla is actively exploring various options, and one intriguing possibility is India. This comes as no surprise considering the recent news of Tesla's application for an expansion to Gigafactory Shanghai, signaling their ambitions for growth. In addition, Elon Musk, the visionary behind Tesla, has been engaged in talks with the president of France to discuss the viability of establishing a new factory there. Tesla is actively seeking ways to expand, with the ambitious aim of producing 20 million cars per year by the end of the decade. India, the most populated country on Earth, presents an enticing untapped market for Tesla's electric vehicles. Despite persistent efforts, Tesla has yet to enter this promising market. Nevertheless, their determination is evident, as they took a significant step forward in 2021 by incorporating an Indian company located in one of the southern states. During that time, Indian government officials expressed interest in Tesla's proposal to reduce import taxes for EVs, providing a glimmer of hope. Unfortunately, this proposition did not come to fruition. Interestingly, it appears that the Indian authorities have also impeded numerous Chinese EV manufacturers from entering their auto market, a development that could bode well for Tesla if they ultimately decide to venture into India's EV landscape. Do you think Tesla's entry into India will provide great opportunities? Let me know in the comments below. Tesla has encountered difficulties competing with domestic electric vehicle manufacturers in China. As part of their market entry strategy, Tesla typically tests new markets by importing their vehicles before committing to local production. However, Tesla's plans for India were disrupted by high import tax rates, resulting in their announcement in 2022 that they would no longer pursue a partnership with the country. Nevertheless, after years of negotiations, Tesla is now exploring the possibility of constructing a factory in India. They have proposed establishing a facility to manufacture electric cars for both the domestic market and export. Currently, Tesla executives are engaged in discussions with Indian government officials, focusing on matters such as local sourcing of parts and government policies on incentives for manufacturers and consumers. However, it's important to note that these discussions are still in the early stages and have yet to be officially confirmed by Tesla or the Indian government. Tesla has adjusted its sales strategy to align with India's trade approach, which holds promising long-term prospects. India offers a relatively untapped luxury electric vehicle market with limited competition. It also presents an opportune market for Tesla's upcoming $25,000 EV on their next-gen platform, catering to the demand for smaller cars. Furthermore, Tesla's entry into India could give them a head start in establishing a supercharger network, as India currently lacks a well-developed fast-charging infrastructure like China. In related news, Elon Musk has revealed an estimate for the production of the Cybertruck. Despite high demand and more than 1.5 million reservations secured by a $100 deposit, Tesla intends to begin production gradually, aiming for substantial volume production by 2024. While the annual production rate remains undisclosed, Elon Musk's announcement suggests it might be lower than anticipated. During the Tesla shareholder meeting, a question was posed about the expected production capacity of the Cybertruck at Gigafactory, Texas. Elon Musk responded, suggesting they could manufacture around 250,000 units per year. with the possibility of reaching 500,000 depending on demand. He also acknowledged the challenge of making the Cybertruck affordable and hinted at potential pricing difficulties. There have been speculations about Cybertruck's pricing, especially since the initial figures announced seem unrealistic, given the current inflation. With the truck competing against the Ford F-150 Lightning, which starts at around $60,000, it's unlikely that the Cybertruck will be priced lower. Moreover, considering Tesla's tendency to launch higher spec versions first, it is anticipated that the initial Cybertruck models will likely start at a price exceeding $80,000. However, since Tesla has not officially disclosed the pricing, there remains a possibility that it could be lower than expected. The anticipated range of the Cybertruck is a crucial aspect that remains unknown. Recently, General Motors made an announcement regarding the range of their upcoming Chevrolet Silverado EV work truck, and it has surpassed expectations. Initially unveiled in January of the previous year, GM claimed that despite being released later than rival electric trucks, their offering would be worth the wait. At the time, they estimated a range of up to 400 miles for the Silverado EV, which was already impressive, particularly in comparison to the Cybertruck's projected 500-mile range. However, the latest estimate from GM reveals an even higher range of 450 miles, surpassing even the top trims of the Ford F-150 Lightning. The main competitor for the Silverado EV, the extended range version of the Lightning, is estimated to have a range of 320 miles. This also exceeds the range of the pricier Rivian R1T, which offers up to 328 miles in its highest configuration. GM stated that the Silverado EV work truck has an EPA estimated range of 450 miles on a full charge, surpassing the closest competitor currently available by over 100 miles. It is worth noting that the comparison is limited to on-sale competitors since the Cybertruck has yet to be released. If Tesla manages to deliver on its estimated range, the Cybertruck is projected to have a range of up to 500 miles. GM attributed the additional 50 miles of range in the Silverado EV to the efforts of their engineering team, which exceeded their initial target of at least 400 miles. Through extensive development and testing, they achieved an impressive 450-mile range. GM also highlighted that the truck is capable of 350 kilowatt fast charging, which, in theory, provides excellent charging speeds. However, finding fast and reliable charging stations that can match this capability remains a challenge in many areas, as I frequently emphasize. If you enjoy this type of content, do give us a like and subscribe. The significance of the 450-mile range lies in its potential to rival Tesla's offerings. Although Tesla has announced a 500-mile range for the Cybertruck, many individuals do not require more than 300 miles of range in an electric vehicle, and Tesla has yet to deliver on its promises of longer-range EVs like the Model S Plaid Plus or the Roadster. The Model S Plaid Plus, for instance, was expected to offer 520 miles of range. In comparison, the Silverado EV from Chevy may present true competition for the Cybertruck. With its 450-mile range and 350 kilowatt charging capability, it could be an appealing option for towing over longer distances. A 300-mile range in the Cybertruck, on the other hand, may leave much to be desired. GM's announcement of the Chevrolet Silverado EV brings attention to the considerations surrounding battery pack size and range. While a larger battery pack could provide an impressive range, it may come at a higher cost and with longer charging times. GM has also mentioned a smaller battery pack option with an estimated 350-mile range, slated for release after the initial launch. The Silverado EV is expected to hit the market this spring, with additional specifications including 510 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque, 1,200 pounds of payload capacity, and an 8,000 pound towing capacity. This development prompts speculation on the scalability and the production volume of the Silverado EV, potentially nudging Tesla to deliver on its promised 500-mile range for the Cybertruck. As Tesla's stock price continues its bullish trend, currently around $193, forecasts suggest that it may reach the $200 range early next month, with a potential month-end range of $214 to $230. These exciting advancements in Tesla's endeavors have the potential to contribute to its stock's growth. Being a Tesla investor is truly thrilling. However, it's essential to remember to do your own research and make informed decisions. Stay tuned for more updates, and we look forward to bringing you the latest news on Tesla and the ever-evolving electric vehicle market. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, click the link shown on screen. Remember to give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and as always, have a good one.